Hey everyone, it's Your Name with Living Well Daily. Today, we're diving into the amazing benefits of combining two incredible ingredients, garlic and olive oil. Often called superfoods, these two powerhouses pack a 1-2 punch for your health. We're going to break down 8 incredible benefits of making garlic and olive oil a regular part of your diet. So, if you're looking for simple yet effective ways to boost your well-being, you're in the right place. Let's talk about your heart. Both garlic and olive oil are rock stars for cardiovascular health. Garlic contains allicin, which helps lower blood pressure and reduce bad cholesterol. Olive oil, especially extra virgin, is packed with monounsaturated fats that lower bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. Think of garlic and olive oil as a dynamic duo reducing inflammation in your blood vessels. Inflammation is a major player in heart disease. By incorporating these two ingredients into your diet, you're giving your heart the TLC it deserves. It's like giving your cardiovascular system a high five. Now let's talk about your immune system. Garlic is a natural warrior, fighting off infections with its antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants, especially vitamin E, protecting your cells from damage. Combining garlic's infection-fighting power with olive oil's cell protection gives your immune system a serious upgrade. This means fewer colds, fewer sick days, and more time feeling your best. It's a win-win, my friends. Inflammation can spell big trouble for your body. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health problems like arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. Both garlic and olive oil are potent anti-inflammatory agents. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, which has effects similar to ibuprofen. Garlic, with its allicin, further reduces inflammatory responses. A healthy gut is the foundation of overall well-being. Garlic promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut. Olive oil acts like a gentle lubricant for your intestines, reducing gastric acidity and promoting smoother digestion. It helps prevent uncomfortable bouts of constipation and bloating. For a natural way to keep your digestive system happy, look no further than this dynamic duo. For those on a weight loss journey, garlic and olive oil can be your new best friends. Olive oil's healthy fats help you feel full and satisfied after meals, preventing overeating. Garlic can boost your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. It adds amazing flavor to your food and helps you reach your weight loss goals. Remember, it's all about balance and making healthy choices. Let's talk about brain power. The antioxidants in olive oil and garlic protect your neurons from damage and inflammation. Olive oil is rich in polyphenols linked to a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Garlic improves blood circulation, ensuring your brain gets a steady flow of oxygen and nutrients. For a delicious way to support your cognitive health, look no further than this power couple. Our bodies are constantly bombarded with toxins. Garlic and olive oil can be your secret weapons in detoxification. Garlic stimulates liver enzymes that help flush out harmful substances. Olive oil acts as a gentle laxative, helping to eliminate waste and toxins from your digestive tract. Together they cleanse your body from the inside out. Who doesn't love having healthy, glowing skin? Garlic and olive oil are packed with antioxidants that fight off free radicals, preventing premature aging. Olive oil, rich in vitamin E, is a natural moisturizer, keeping your skin hydrated and supple. Garlic's sulfur compounds can improve skin tone and fight acne. Incorporating garlic and olive oil into your diet nourishes and protects your skin. So there you have it, 8 incredible health benefits of combining garlic and olive oil. From boosting heart health and strengthening immunity to improving digestion and giving you glowing skin, these two ingredients are a match made in health heaven. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on living well daily. How do you like to use garlic and olive oil in your cooking? Share your favorite recipes and tips in the comments below. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your health. Try incorporating garlic and olive oil into your meals and experience the benefits for yourself.